So I'm not quite sure if that's the size I need because of the chocolate that I did here. So this is just the black coating chocolate. Yes, you can get it in black all year round most of the time now, at least at the Cake Cottage again. So you just melt this in the microwave slowly. You don't want to overheat it or it'll seize up and you'll think, wow, this isn't melting. It's because you've actually overheated it. So like 20-second intervals, and take it out and stir it, because as you're stirring it, the chocolate, you're actually melting it a little bit more. So I've already just melted some and just placed it, just kind of poured it on a piece of parchment paper. And then I've already cut 3 sides. You don't put it in the refrigerator because it might bend, or even the freezer. You just kind of let it sit out because then it's easier for you to cut. So if I was going to do this, I still have one side that I need to cut. I think that's going to be pretty good size there. So this is about 4.5 by 4.5. This cake ended up being, it would be like cutting from a 4-inch cake. Okay, so 4.5. I just have a little knife here, and I'm going to take this and just score it, just kind of cut through slowly, because if I break this, then the video's over.
Yeah, we can't have that.
Right.
We still have to fill 25 minutes.
Oh. Gonna have to bring on the other person.
Yeah, don't cut yourself again.
Guys, get ready down there. You might have to come up. B team, down here. All right. Okay, so then I will just, you can just go like this and kind of take some of that. And I got a little of that corner off, so I can show you how to actually fix that rather than cutting it down more. That's right. I can fix it. Yeah, I can. Sure. Okay, questions? Nope, nope, nope.
No.
Man. Okay.
Not a single one.
All right. I'll
Could
just
you?
keep
Okay.
working.
Here's a quick question.
Yep.
Could you use a heated knife?
Yeah, you could use a heated knife if you want.
See,
I'll let you.
There was a question. Not only a question, but an answer.
Yes.
That's how we roll here.
Questions and
at Yummy
answers. Woo! Because it'd be kind of weird if I said, I'm not going to tell you anything.
I have the answer, but I'm not going to let you know.
Right, I'm not going to let you know. Because, yeah.
Good. It's a good question, too. Thanks, Shanley. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's good.
Good. All right, good.
There's some
We're all
comments,
good.
too. There's some comments that the people that are going to see this video later. It's like, okay, that's a great way to use old cake. Yeah, practice on it. You can use it for practice. Great idea.
I was going to say, wait a minute.
Yeah,
a great way to use old cake. You don't really want to serve it. Okay, for practice?
Just for practice, sure. It's a great idea. And then chuck it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I wasn't sure if that was
and then not eat it.
where we were kind of going with that. Yeah. All right, that sounds good. Okay, black fondant out. And to fix this here, what I can do is just take a little bit of shortening and put a little shortening on there, and then take a little bit of black fondant and pop it right in that corner.
I'm sorry, we missed that. What is that piece there?
This is the chocolate.
Okay, that's just a piece of chocolate.
That I just cut.
Okay.
Were you here?
Yes.
No. The piece that I would just cut, I had the corner missing, right? So then I said I'd show you how to fix it. So here we go. Fix it like this. And then pull that down. And then see how it just fills in that whole area? Kind of cool, huh? Because we're going to cover the whole thing anyway. Okay, so that saves you cutting it down more or, having to redo it. So always think first, sometimes we get frustrated and we just remelt it or whatever. Just take a second, take a breath, and think, can I fix it? Because just taking that 1 second could save you an hour or so, right?
Yeah, sometimes I've seen that Susan will throw something on the floor just to buy herself some time and then think about it.
Yeah.
So, there you go.
Like some fondant, yeah. Stretch, stretch.